2012 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power steering, anti-theft security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, side airbag, universal garage door opener, rear defroster, battery saver, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cargo net, remote keyless entry, satellite radio, power outlets, compact spare tire, power adjustable pedals, dual exhaust, HID headlights, tire pressure monitoring system, ambient lighting. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.